What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Optimism. This is actually one that has been highly on my radar recently, simply because the spot Ethereum ETF, if it does go live, I do believe Optimism will reap all the rewards. Anyways, looking at Optimism on the daily, you can see we are in bearish control zone. We have our stochastic finally starting to come up. We have bounced off support not once but twice, this $70.09 level. And benefit of this, it is a beautiful falling wedge, but it's kind of a falling wedge inside of a falling wedge. So, and on top of that, it is a failure to break down. You can see the sellers tried to send it down, but they failed miserably. We got a daily candle close above the level, even after that huge dip wick down. Anyways, since the longs got liquidated there, I do believe there is a chance we could see a lot of upside. Basically, 42% is the idea, but we need to see what happens on the third touch. So in the short term, we could see from where we are sitting right now, anywhere between a 7 to an 11% upside. If it does try to breach it, we could see this 16%. Now let's drop down to lower time frames and get a better idea of what we could see. You can see on the 4-hour stochastic is very high. However, relative strength is sitting in neutral territory. Your MACD is starting to show a little bit more buying pressure, which is great to see. But let's look into what I was talking about this double falling wedge. You can see this demand line right here. We have the considered double falling wedge going on right now. And a measured move from this upon a possible breakout, we could be looking at 14% upside if it breaks out backtest, but if it goes straight up, we could be looking at 14.78. This is where I have my alert set for if we do hit that level. I'm going to be extremely happy because I'm currently in a long. I will take profit at that level and then see if we maintain above 191.3. But let's go down to the 1 hour. Going down to your 1 hour. 1 hour does look like it's trying to push upward right now, which is fantastic to see. You can also see relative strength sitting in neutral territory. You can also look at the MACD. MACD right now, let's make this bigger real quick. MACD right now showing less sell pressure, showing we might flip bullish sometime soon. Good to see. Love to see that. Now going down to your 15 minutes showing it could have a little bit more of a cool off before we try and push upward. We do have this short-term demand or supply line that's being put in. We're going to see if we get a third touch and bounce off of it. If we do, that's extremely bullish. Something also that I do have to mention, because this is kind of frustrating, if we zoom out a little bit, we come down here and we look at it from this perspective, we do have a rising wedge pattern. So if this rising wedge pattern were to play out, that would be absolutely annoying for the long, but I will be monitoring this all night. Either way, measured move down would be something around $1.64.6, could be an 8% drop. I don't know that this will happen. It's a very short time frame. We do not see it on the 4 hour, which makes me happy. But, you know, you sort of see it. You know, if you squint your eyes and turn your head, you sort of see it. So we're gonna wait and see. But right now, I'm leaning more bullish. I think we're gonna get this touch at the top. Anyways, you guys can comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on this particular trade pattern. Also, check the links in the description down below. Join the community. We have a Discord where I post up trade setups as soon as I see them, as well as I go live on Twitch whenever the market allows me to. I don't do it daily. I really don't. But if we start getting more engagement inside of Discord, more engagement on these videos, I'll start doing more live streams. However, I just don't want to when there's no one there. There's no point. If nobody's watching, I'm not going to go live. I'll just make videos. Also, we are partnered up with Fairdesk. If you decide you need a new exchange with no KYC, Fairdesk is a great place to trade. There are many opportunities when it comes to futures trading, but you also have the opportunity of copy trading with me, where if I lose, hey, we all lose. If I win, we all win. It is a great way to help support the channel. Also, you get 5% rebates on all of your trades. Yeah, outside of that, you have $85,000 daily withdrawal limit for unverified accounts. This day and age where everybody wants your KYC, it's nice to have a nice home where there's no KYC. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys are going to have a great rest of your week when it comes to these trades. Hopefully Bitcoin does not poop the bed. It does look like it's going to be a little bullish for the remainder of the week, but who knows what the traders have in store for us. This is just summertime price action. Anyways, catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Keep your stop losses tight.